How to log in to Walgreens employee account. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Walgreens employee account. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Walgreens employee login and hit enter. Now you will be taken to this page right here, so you will just have to click on this link one ID. Go ahead and open it up. So from here you will be taken to a different website where you will have to select your designated work location. So just go ahead and click on the drop down, select your country, and then click on continue. As you guys know, Walgreens is a major American pharmacy and retail chain that operates thousands of stores across the United States. It specializes in prescription medications, health and wellness products, and also over-the-counter drug, beauty, and personal care items. So once you click on continue, here you will just have to provide your employee ID and then simply enter your password for Walgreens. And then from here, you can simply click on sign on. And if your login credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. But if you forgot your password, you can always click on forgot password to go ahead and recover your password. So you'll just have to provide your ID here to get access to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.